In this more complicated algebraic fraction, okay, the same basics apply. Number one, make the common denominator. Okay, make common denominator. Number two, okay, have bracket when you combine. Okay, so first, 3 and 2. Again, very common question. Common denominator would be 6. So multiply by 2 and multiply by 2. Multiply by 3 and multiply by 3. Right side, it's okay. 5d plus 1 over 6. There's no big fraction over anything. Just leave it first. Okay, just leave it first. So for this 2, we'll multiply to this 2. So it will become 4. You only multiply to one number. Okay, one of them. Don't multiply the 2 to both him and the bracket. No, that is a common mistake as well. Okay, only multiply to the 2. Minus 9. See, okay, this is over 6. Minus 9. I always have the bracket for the second term, so that when I combine, I don't get careless. Okay. Now, if your 5d, you feel that, you know, I change this to, okay, because this is over 1, I change this to 6, it will be better for me, it's also okay. So multiply by 6, multiply by 6. Sorry, I should have used the blue ink. So I will have 4, 3 minus 4d minus 9 bracket d plus 7 over 6 is equals to, this would be 30d plus 1 over 6. Okay, and now you happen to have the same denominator on both the left and right, then we can say that the numerator are the same. Okay, so this will be 12 minus 16d minus 9d minus 63 equals to 30d plus 1. Okay, algebra on the left side, minus 16d minus 9d, which is this guy and this guy. This guy bring over, it will become minus 30d, okay, equals to 12 and negative 36. Bring to the right side, it will be 1 minus 12 plus 63. Okay, at this point of time, most of you can actually use your calculator. If you don't want to use your calculator, it's also okay. So minus 16 minus 9 will be minus 25. That will be minus 55d is equals to minus 11 plus 63, 52. Okay, so d is equals to 55 over negative, 52 over negative 55. And if you key into your calculator, it would be the simplest form already.